Hey there, AI Explorers. We've journeyed through how AI learns, speaks, and sees. But what happens when AI starts to do? Today, we're diving into AI and automation, exploring how robots and algorithms are fundamentally changing the way we work, everywhere from factories to offices. Automation isn't just about robots, it's about algorithms that make decisions, analyze data, and perform tasks that once required human intervention. When we add AI, these systems become smart, capable of learning and adapting, rather than just following rigid instructions. Imagine, no more tedious paperwork, endless spreadsheets, or repetitive actions. AI is taking over the mundane. In offices, it automates data entry, document sorting, and schedule management. In call centers, smart chatbots handle thousands of inquiries. This frees up people for more complex, creative work. In factories and warehouses, AI-powered robots are already the norm. They assemble products, move goods, and perform quality control with incredible speed and precision. AI algorithms optimize delivery routes, manage inventory, and even predict demand, making entire supply chains far more efficient. AI isn't just about replacement. It's a powerful tool for augmenting our capabilities. In medicine, AI systems assist surgeons and diagnosticians. In creative industries, AI generates ideas and helps write music or text. In analytics, it processes vast data sets, providing insights inaccessible to humans alone. Where will this wave of automation lead us? Work will evolve, not disappear. New professions will emerge, requiring collaboration with AI. We'll need to learn new skills, focusing on creativity, critical thinking, and human interaction, areas where AI cannot yet replace us. AI and automation aren't here to replace us, but to help us achieve more. What are your thoughts on the future of work? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to AI Explained for more captivating insights. See you next time.